And that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul and I'm taking you through today's workout. Today's pretty simple. 3 different exercises. You're gonna need a set of dumbbells. We just have a deadlift, a floor press, and a goblet squat. We're gonna go to 10 repetitions of each. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down to 1. No breaks in between. The only break is gonna be me marking off how many more sets we have left. So you guys are ready to go? We're starting off with the deadlift. 10 reps of each exercise. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Grab your dumbbells and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. On the ground. Floor presses. 10 repetitions. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Get up and a goblet squat. 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. And 10. All right, mark this off. Just doing this so I don't forget, because I don't always remember these things. All right, back to the top, deadlifts. Grab your weights. By the way, welcome to Fit After 50. And let's go. 1, 2. We're going for 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 9. Welcome to Fit After 50. Like I started saying, my name is Paul and I take you through these workouts. Oh my God, I can't speak. Let's just keep on working out. 1, 2. We'll talk later. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Leave this weight up here. Goblet squat. 9 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You mark this off, and we're moving on to 8s. All right, here we go. 8 reps. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the ground. Floor presses. 1. Control the weight. 2. That's 8. Goblet squats. 8 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My goblet squats, I apologize, they're really ugly today. I just finished running and my knees are kind of paying for it. As the title of my YouTube page says, these are workouts for people with creaky knees. And today is a creaky knee day. All right, we're moving on to 7s. Ready? 7 deadlifts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. And 7 on the ground. 7 floor presses. 1, 2, 2 more. 1 and 2. Me getting up and down today, not pretty. But it's okay, we move on. 7 goblet squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more, and 7. 7 done, 6 is next. Obviously, we're moving through this quicker and quicker. All right, 6 deadlift, you guys ready? Come on, let's go. Work out with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 more, and 6. On the ground we go, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six goblet squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, set wise, we're halfway done. Grab the weights, going for 5 deadlifts. You guys ready? No stopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Goblet squats. Yes, this is working out with me, guys, literally. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mark it off. Get a breather. 5 down. We don't have many reps left. We're going for 4s. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at this point of the workout where it's harder to get up and down than it's to just do the reps. All right, 4 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, my knees are finally feeling better. Who says movement is bad for you? Huh. All right, going for 3s. 3, 3, and 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1, 2, and 3. On the ground. 1, 2, 3. And 3 goblets. 1, 2, and 3. And we work it off. Keep moving, keep moving. We have 3 reps left, but we do them in 2 sets. You guys ready? Come on. 1, and 2. Get on the ground. 1, 2, and get up. Let's go. 1 and 2. Well, almost done, but I am going to mark it off. All right, 1 of each. Ready? Let's go. 1, on the ground. Set up. 1, and goblet squat. And 1. And that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I gotta apologize. Sorry if I don't have as much energy right now as I usually do. I just don't today. It's one of those days. It is what it is. You still got a workout in. I hope you guys still got a workout in. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for 4 years running. It's probably workout 475 or so. I haven't missed an upload. I hope you don't skip a workout, and I'll see you guys during next session.